Hey guys, this video is previously recorded when Tabitha Brown's Kale My Name restaurant was open in Los Angeles. It has since closed and I do not have a status if it's going to be open or not, but a few of you guys still wanted to see our reaction and our review on the restaurant. So for those who are interested, here it goes. What's up, you guys? So today the day has finally come. Y'all been asking us in the comments. We are about to go review Tabitha Brown's restaurant, Kale My Name. Yes, I'm excited. I've been wanting to do this for a minute, y'all. So we finally made reservations. We got like 15 minutes to get there, so we need to leave now. But yeah, we'll see you guys there. If y'all have tried her restaurant, leave a comment down below letting us know what was your favorite, so maybe next time we can try it. But yeah, I'm excited. I'll see you guys when we get there. So we made it to Kale My Name, as you can see. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, we about to go in there, see what's on the menu. Y'all, I'm starving as per usual, but I'm excited, so come on, let's go. Alright guys, so as you can see by the smile on my face, super excited to go in here. Y'all, the aesthetic was so beautiful. I loved how the decor and everything just went with Tabitha's vibe. Everything was just really chill and the workers were super sweet and very helpful. Alright guys, so to start off with drinks, I ended up getting the lavender lemonade, and I believe this is the Tabitha's favorite, but y'all, I see why. It is so bomb. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Perfect sweetness, definitely try it.
Fam, I ordered the very good fresh juice. Whew, I ain't gonna lie to you, this right here is really good. It's kale, ginger, pineapple, and apple. Yeah, Tabitha knew what she was doing with this. No kizzy.
So next we ordered our meal. I ended up getting the cauliflower wings and waffles. It came with maple syrup, buffalo sauce, and vegan butter. So this was pretty good, guys. I actually enjoyed it. It wasn't too heavy on the seasoning, and I believe the waffle was like a multi-grain. It was plain. You can get it with blueberry or chocolate chip, but I just got mine plain. And with the maple syrup, it was actually really good. So we tried to film our review in the restaurant, but unfortunately the music was way too loud and we really didn't have anywhere to put our camera where you can see both of us. And right here, I'm trying to get the camera to focus and not be so dark. But yeah, that was that. And here I was just letting you guys know that the food was good and I was enjoying it. At this time, babe didn't get his food yet, so that's why he's not in the shot. So here's a shot of me trying the waffle by itself without the cauliflower wings. Honestly, the waffle was pretty dense, which I don't mind that at all. I expect wheat or like multigrain waffles to be like that. But yeah, just in case, just so you know the texture. But with the maple syrup and if you like vegan butter, it's actually really tasty. Alright guys, so here is Babe's food. He ended up getting whatever was popular on the menu. He did ask the waitress what was the most popular item. And Babe loves burgers, so he got, I believe this is a Beyond Burger with tofu scrambled, cheese, tomatoes, and pickles. And then there was like a breakfast hash on the side. He said this was pretty good. He just wished the burger was like a house-made burger. The hash was pretty good as well. All right, so here's another look at HD's plate and the burger, the toppings, and everything inside. It looks really good. So here's HD right here trying to be fancy for you guys and cut his burger open so you guys can see how it looks inside. So here's a little view of how the burger looks inside. It has so many toppings, but it looks delicious. So he's gonna go ahead and give y'all a little taste test. So we got a thumbs up. Looks like the burger was pretty good. Next, he's moving on to the hash. He said the hash was pretty good. It was just like really herby. It had like a lot of different herbs going on. So he balanced it out with a little bit of ketchup. All right, guys, so that was our experience at Tabitha Brown's restaurant, Kale My Name. We had a great time. As we said earlier, the LA restaurant is closed for now. I believe her Chicago restaurant is still open. Hopefully she opens up again in LA if you weren't able to try it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Also, turn on your post notification bells. That way you know whenever we're posting a new video. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.